right behind me we have our all-American sun oven, and today we're going to hard boil some duck eggs, and we're going to use our solar oven to do it. Right now it's about 59, 60 degrees outside, so outside air temperature is about 60 degrees. It's sunny outside. However, it is, it is partly cloudy, so that could impact us. Let me just kind of show you this, see if you can see it. All right, so we've got a little bit of cloud cover, but hopefully not too much, because if we do have cloud cover, then this thing does not work so well, okay? However, when we have full sun, this thing we have used to cook turkeys, we've used to cook whole chickens, we've used to bake biscuits, make bread, you name it. We've done it, we use it extensively, and I wanna show you what we're gonna do and how we're going to hard boil. First, I wanna show you our sun oven. And we've had this for almost 8 years. And you can see, like if you look here, it's kind of a little rusty there. I probably could stand to clean that up. See the All-American is peeling a little bit again, but we've had it for 8 years. And we lost the original thing, so we just took a piece of PVC pipe and put it in there. And the first thing I want to point out is the angle at which you put the sun oven. You want that angle right there perpendicular to the sun angle. Okay, that's key. That's the key to maximize. And as you can see, everything just went behind the cloud there. And so we'll hopefully get some sun here. But what are we gonna do? We're going to put our duck eggs right there in here. And it could take, if we had full sun and no cloud cover at all, they would probably be done in about 45 minutes. If we have a little bit of cloud cover, it might take an hour and a half. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna put it in right now. All right, so we're gonna take our duck eggs, and I just have them in this egg carton. Make sure it's not a plastic egg carton. Open this up and set it in. And close it up. You want it nice and tight, the seal tight, because it keeps all the heat inside. And that's all there is to it. The sun just came out for us, and then we'll hit the clock and we'll start to see how it goes. I'm going to check on it, and depending on how much sun, if we've had full sun the whole time, in 45 minutes I'll check it. If we've had a little bit of intermittent cloudiness, then I'll wait longer. Just want to do a quick update. You can see the gauge there. It's going at about 275. The top one doesn't work anymore, and that's one of the only problems we've had with this. Other than that, it's been a great thing to have. It does, like I said, it does require mostly sun. You can have a little bit of cloud cover depending on what you're trying to cook, but other than that, it is a fantastic piece of gear. We are an affiliate of them, but we are an affiliate of them because it's a great product, and we use it, and we have been using it for years, and we use it every year extensively. So if you're interested in it, we do have a link in the video notes here, and it is a discount for our subscribers and followers. It's a great discount. It's a really good discount. Check it out. Okay, I'm gonna check it now. It's been about 55 minutes because we had just a little bit of intermittent cloud cover, and make sure you have something because it is hot. I'm just going to pull one out. You can see all that steam. Woo. I think we're going to be good, but I just want to, we're going to double check. Okay. I am going to just briefly touch that, and I'm going to let this cool down, and then we'll see if it's hard boiled. All right, I cooled it down. I actually put it in some cool water, let it sit for about a minute, and it's good to go. So now I'm going to crack it, and we'll see how it is. And we have a good hard-boiled egg. Now, one thing, if you didn't know this, fresh eggs, like farm fresh eggs, are significantly harder to peel normally than store-bought eggs. And the reason that is because of simply freshness. It is the membrane in between the shell, for whatever reason, on a fresh egg sticks to the inner egg really well. Now, in this case, you can see it's peeling very, very easily, and that's one of the benefits of using a sun oven, is that it's actually very easy to peel. And there we go. We have a fresh duck egg, and this is a fresh egg. This is an egg that we've got in the last few days. Okay, so it's only a few days old. The average egg in a grocery store that you get in the store is over 6 weeks old. There we go. Excellent. So the reason to use the sun oven in the summer, it takes no power. It doesn't heat up your house at all. And it's just very cool to be able to use. You know, it doesn't take anything other than some time. It takes a little bit more time, right? But I was out actually cooking on the grill while doing this. So there you go. Check out the sun oven. We have an excellent discount for our followers and subscribers, and it's well worth it. Like I said, we've owned it for 8 years. I'm not trying to sell anything that I don't use myself. All right, we'll catch you next time.